very unsafe. Well, especially in winters, it gets dark at like 6:37, and you have weird people walking around, passing by cracks. But yeah, what can one do about it?
There's a lot of teasing at Chandni Chowk. It's very unsafe. It's like people try to, touch you or brush you and all that.
In fact, traveling in buses and autos is not at all safe. It's like being in Delhi, you have to have your own vehicle.
They pass comments on you, and you just cannot wear any western wear at that site.
Women should go and report because otherwise the crime will spread more. So it is very necessary for the women to go and report.
You will keep on saying, side ho jao, just give a side, move a bit, but they keep on following. And they have so cheap mentality, I can't express.
There's lack of coordination, maybe amongst the police and all. So, and the most vulnerable section are the women. So this is what the problem is.
And even if you're like going out at night, there's a fear of, okay, there might be a road rage happening. Or even if you're going out in a group, you don't feel that safe, because anything can happen nowadays in Delhi. It's so unpredictable.
For more than an hour on Sunday night, a bus drove through one of Delhi's busiest roads with a young medical student being gang raped inside. She was brutalized to such an extent that doctors treating her at the Safdarjung hospital say that they've never seen anything like it before. Her story has sent shivers down the national capital's spine. But women, thousands and lakhs of women who travel in packed buses in the NCR have their own horror stories to tell.
I've been molested, yes. I have had, my breasts pinched and so on. First time you feel like your honor has gone, but now I don't want to see it in terms of honor.
The worst thing was that once I was just standing and there was a male, he was like trying to touch me from back. So I just said that don't do that. Then he started shouting on me.
डर लगता है बस में इतनी भीड़ होती है लड़के कोशिश करते हैं इधर उधर टच करने की.
And there's no one to support you because everyone is quiet. They just look at you, they just see the tamasha, but they don't say anything.
You don't have PCR vans and you don't have people keeping control and people keeping security. And the worst part is you have only 6% of the Delhi police are women.
अगर केस कोई लड़की करती भी है तो जाते हैं उनके पेरेंट्स कुछ पैसे देके छुड़वा देते हैं डेथ से.
There's always this sense that don't go here, don't do that, be home after 8 o'clock. And what is it? If I get raped after 8 o'clock, it's my fault? Am I asking to be raped?
दिल्ली में अभी भी अंधेरे में निकलना सेफ है या नहीं है?
नहीं, I don't think so. It is at the moment safe at all.
आप निकलती हैं, काम पर जाती हैं या अंधेरे में जब आप
work, but then I don't go out in the evenings, no.
Improvement, I won't say there's any because every day in newspapers अभी भी हमें दिख रहा है what they are doing to girls and kids especially. I just read an article of 7-year-old getting raped in an MCD school. I don't think there's any safe.
तो जब आप ऐसे यहाँ बस स्टॉप पे इंतजार करती हैं,
घबराहट होती है, डर लगता है. जैसे कि देखा ही था आपने, पहले भी एक सीन हो चुका है, उस वजह से थोड़ा डर लगता है, इसलिए काफ़ी हम अपने आप को कंफर्टेबल महसूस नहीं करते.